The really current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $102,286,220 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a fundamentally large manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support, all things considered, remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slides EMA10 truly shows a truly descending pattern, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 especially shows a for the most part descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. 02 September 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things, facts. What truly is essentially transient cost expectation for torrential slide most certainly is Avax a fundamentally wise speculation, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide support and opposition levels, and so on in a by and large significant manner. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Avax specialized investigation, let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,044,536,289,332, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume really remains at $29,925,801,445. Or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Avax specialized examination, let us explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, in opposition to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.59%. Coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 essentially shows a fundamentally descending pattern, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 essentially shows a very descending pattern, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Avax specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.59%. Coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 explicitly shows a fundamentally descending pattern, showing that torrential slides EMA10 generally shows a sort of descending pattern in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 shows a genuinely descending pattern, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 essentially shows a really descending pattern, which explicitly is very critical. Right now, a kind of broad, most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more most certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers by and large become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 especially shows an especially descending pattern, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 in a real sense shows a descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The really current torrential slide cost especially is $9.89, with an exchanging volume of $102,286,220 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. So these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market truly is going in an essentially descending course for kind of present moment, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 in every practical sense, shows a by and large descending pattern, showing that torrential slides EMA10 in a real sense shows an exceptionally descending pattern in a by and large enormous manner. Presently, Avax most certainly is somewhere near 0.35% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,494,942,646 United States dollars, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the Avax specialized examination, truly led us in every way that really matters, discuss the very current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 02 September 2023, insight of fundamentally day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, which in every way that really matters, shows